So first one's done off this machine, 6 hours 56 minutes. And we're going to compare it to the one coming off the Anycubic next. So it's done, 8 hours and 40 minutes, 15 seconds. So this one's off of the SOVOL, and I don't know if you can see some ghosting or lines from the holes. Finish is okay. We got nice something stuck there. A little rough around the edges here, but not bad. And this was running at 300 millimeters a second. This one's off the Anycubic, and I got some of this on here from here, but I don't. It has the same speed lines. The surface finish is better. But this one also took 2 hours longer than this one. Both of these were run out of PETG. And they have 6 walls and 25% infill. And ironically, in some ways, I'm kind of thinking, I don't know if you can see that, but there's some ghosting right there. And that's the only difference I'm seeing, where there's a little tearing on this side, on this one. So my thoughts are, if I slow down my outer walls, I'll probably clean up this on both of these.